Hey, it's Paul with rackattack.com, and this is a quick overview of the Thule Evo clamp WingBar Evo base roof rack system for the 2018 and beyond Nissan Leaf. Here we have the three main components that make up this base roof rack system: the foot pack and the load bars. These are the WingBar Evo Load Bars, and the vehicle specific fitting kit. So let me go over in detail how the fitting kit works to make this a perfect fit to the vehicle. Included in the fit kit, you have 4 of the rubberized metal door frame brackets, as well as 4 contoured rubber bases. Each of these have numbers that are assigned, which correspond to numbers that are on the instruction sheets that are included that are specific to the vehicle. Let's go ahead and demonstrate how these fit kit components work with the foot. So I'll just first take off this outer cover just by snapping it loose. You'll notice we've already added a decal that's included with the fit kit to guide you in putting the correct base pads and door frame brackets on the correct foot. So here we've determined it's these that are numbered. So we'll just align the base pad with the bottom of the foot and press around the perimeter, and that will position that into place. Next, we'll go ahead and insert the door frame bracket, and that just simply clicks into this assembly here. Okay, next we'll install the load bar. So to install the load bar, we'll press in on these 2 silver tabs. So the load bar, it's called the WingBar Evo Load Bar. This is an aluminum extruded load bar with a very sophisticated box beam construction for excellent strength and rigidity. There's also a dedicated track along the top here, and that track is accessible from the end of the end cap, and you can slide the appropriate hardware in between the 2 pieces of rubber without having to cut that rubber to get the optimum position and a nice clean integrated look and attachment for your accessories. So when it's time to install the foot, I'll just press in on the underside tab to remove the end cap. And here you'll see we have the slot that accommodates the foot, and here is a measuring device. This is a scale, has scale numbers. Those numbers again correspond with the instruction sheet telling you exactly how far in and out this would be positioned in order to put the foot on in the right spot. Okay, so I'll go ahead and take the foot and press in on those tabs as I showed a moment ago, and then bring that foot down into position against this plastic measuring device. Next, you'll see here we have an open area that we want to seal up to maintain the good aerodynamics of this bar. So provided are pieces of rubber that you would slide into that position and giving you maintaining your good aerodynamic position. Okay, then next we want to go ahead and put back on our end cap. So the end cap just simply snaps back into place there. And now when it's time to tighten it onto the vehicle, Thule has provided a special tool that you use to tighten this fastener. The tool is special in that it will click once it's reached its full tightness. And then next you have your end cap, which we'll put back into place here, your cover. There is a plug that's included, and that plug, you just give it a quarter turn to hold this cover in place. However, you do have the option for added security to use a metal lock cylinder and key. This is Thule's one key system. So it's a system that allows for all 4 of your feet to be key matched, but you can extend that to the other accessories that you may have attached onto the roof rack so that all of your Thule gear that's one key compatible can work off of the same key. Okay, so those are all the key features of the Thule Evo clamp base roof rack system for the 2018 and beyond Nissan Leaf. This product and the full line of Thule products are available at rackattack.com. For more details about this exact system, please see the links in our video description. For complete details with links to the individual components, pre-configured rack systems, as well as a more in-depth detailed installation video to show start to finish how this is actually put onto a vehicle. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.